018, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, third year SHU.
Hi, I am Kavita. My roll number is 11 BCS 042. I belongs to Department of Computer Science and Engineering, third year A section. Hi, I am Kritika. My roll number is 11 BCS 045. I belong to the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, third year A.
My name is Nivedita. My roll number is 11 BCS 063. I belong to the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, third year A section. Our project supervisor is Ms. Divya Purni, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering.
The main objective of the project is to create a repository for alumni of the college. The retrieval system is completely internet-based application that can be approached around the globe. The implementation detail of our project is, the front end we used is HTML and the back end is MySQL. This is a schematic representation of our project. It consists of sign up page and the login page. This is the AR diagram wherein we have administrator and also the user. Hi, now let me explain the project demo. This is the home page which consists of 4 tabs, namely home, sign up, view and login. Now we enter into the sign up tab. This sign up tab consists of following fields such as name, email address, password, gender, branch, etc., where the alumni has to enter all the details since the form is validated. On clicking on the submit button, the values are entered into the database and it is registered successfully. Now we are returning to the home page wherein the user can log in with the username and the password which he or she has given. The username is Aravind and he enters his own password. And on clicking on the login button, the necessary feedback form will be displayed. This is the feedback form wherein the alumni has to enter all the details since this form is also validated. On entering the feedback and finally clicking on the submit button so that the feedback is entered into the database. Now back to the home page. According to the title of our project, the non-alumni member can also view the details of the alumni by clicking on the view button. This view tab consists of 2 text boxes, namely the year of graduation and the course. If the non-alumni member needs to view the senior who is a passed out of 2015 batch and belonging to the computer science and engineering, can click this view button. A list of names will be displayed who are belonging to the 2015 batch computer science and engineering. On clicking on this name Aravind and clicking view button, we get the details like Aravind's email address, branch, department, his mobile number which is used to contact the senior Aravind.